Hi, my name is Dvisha Patel, and I'm in the UCLA Anderson FEMBA class of 2021. I'm currently a senior consultant at the consulting firm REIT. There's a couple reasons why I chose UCLA Anderson. First is just the incredible education I'd be able to receive, not only from the professors here at Anderson, but also from a great cohort of classmates I'd be able to interact with. Second, Anderson is a great school whether you're a career switcher or a career enhancer. In my case, I was looking to switch careers into consulting. Part of the reason why I chose FEMBA was that I wouldn't have to wait until 2 years after graduation to start my new career. In fact, I actually got this new job just 2 quarters into school. And one of the best parts has been I'd be able to take exactly what I learned in class and apply it directly the next day at my work. And lastly, and probably the most special, I was born and raised here in Los Angeles. However, when I was applying for business schools, I was living on the East Coast. So attending UCLA has been a bit of a homecoming for me. I chose the Global Access Program, or GAP, as my field of study, as it would not only give me the great experience of working with an international company, but that experience would also be directly relevant and helpful towards my career. As a consultant, I am essentially tasked with helping our clients figure out solutions to whatever their issues may be. In the case of our GAP company, they were a Finnish technology firm that were looking to put together a go-to-market strategy to help launch their products in the US. Having just completed GAP, I'm excited to take forward everything I've learned into my career. In fact, for my current client, I was able to help lead a hypothesis-driven research plan that was based basically on the framework we used during GAP. I'm honored to be selected by the faculty as a Voice of FEMBA for GAP, and I hope my story encourages you to explore what's out there for your MBA life, professional careers, and beyond.